Hi everyone, welcome back to Massive Crochet. For this project, I used a 4.5mm crochet hook. Let's start with a slip knot. And start working on your foundation chain. Keep going until you reach your desired length. Just make sure that you end up with an odd number of chains. Moving on to row 1, skip the first chain from your hook and place a single crochet into the very next one. Single crochet into the next chain, and then just keep putting a single crochet into every single chain until you reach the end of the row. For row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Make a double crochet into the very first stitch, and then work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Skip the next stitch, place a double crochet into the following stitch, and then work another double crochet into that exact same stitch. And just repeat this pattern all the way across. Skip one stitch and put 2 double crochets into the next. When you get to the end of the row, you'll have 2 stitches left. If you're going to skip one and then place one last double crochet into the very last stitch. Moving on to row 3, chain 1, then turn your work. Start by placing a single crochet into that very first stitch, and then you're just going to continue putting 1 single crochet into every single stitch all the way until you reach the end of the row. Make sure you don't miss that very last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. This row is going to be very similar to row 2, but it starts and ends a little bit differently. Double crochet in the first stitch. Now skip the next stitch and place 2 double crochets into the third stitch from the hook. And then just repeat the pattern across. Skip 1 stitch, 2 double crochets into the next. When you get to the end of the row, you'll have only 1 stitch left. Double crochet into that last stitch. For row 5, chain 1 and turn your work. Super simple. Just like row 3, single crochet into each stitch across the row. You're just going to repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 until your project reaches your desired length. As you can see, the texture is turning out so beautiful, yet it's incredibly simple to make. I highly recommend this pattern if you're a beginner, or if you're just looking for a quick project that looks gorgeous without too much effort. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial.